Hi everyone, thank you for attending this MBL presentation. My name is Ben Ward. I'm a partner of Ashton's Legal and I specialise in running catastrophic clinical negligence cases on behalf of claimants. I should say at the outset that I don't act and never have acted for defendants. So whilst this presentation is designed to assist practitioners regardless of who they represent, it will be delivered with a heavy claimant slant because that is where my experience lies. In respect of my experience, my caseload is now made up of about 25 cases. The majority of those are adult and baby brain injury. The first thing I'm going to say about stroke cases is that if you're going to run them, you need to be prepared to lose some of them. They're not straightforward, particularly on issues of causation, and particularly where a patient has already had the stroke and you're considering the reasonableness of treatment they've received. The second thing I'm going to say before I get started is that I'm a lawyer, I'm not a doctor. We are going to have quite a whirlwind tour of stroke claims throughout the presentation, and I'm going to give you enough on the medical basis of which I'm discussing for you to understand the law, but this is a presentation that's focused on the sort of practical tips to help practitioners achieve the best outcomes for their clients. I will also give you some knowledge about my own experience of taking a stroke case to trial in the case that was heard last year of Pickering and Cambridge University hospitals. So, okay, let's make a start. Whatever your experience of running these cases, you will likely have heard of FAST, or FAST. You'll have seen it from the adverts on TV. So just a quick recap, really, for those of you who are starting out in their careers or haven't seen these adverts before. The F, A, and S relate to the symptoms a patient might suffer when showing signs of a stroke. There can often be drooping of the face, eye, and mouth. The patient might have weakness or numbness down one side and perhaps be unable to lift their arm. They might also have issues with their speech in that it could be slurred. They might be having word-finding difficulties or talking gibberish. If the patient or someone recognises those symptoms, the T means it's time to get to hospital. The T, of course, stands for time. And one of the things I want to convey in this talk is just how important timings are when vetting cases and trying to understand whether or not the facts you're presented with are likely to result in a positive outcome for your client.